Yes, a very good morning to class 4 students. I hope you all are good and doing your work properly. So, as you all know, in the previous session, we had started with a new chapter and we had started chapter number 14, that is Animals in Transport. We had started chapter number 14, Animals in Transport. So, in this chapter, I told you about some animals which were and which are even now they are helpful in transport, right? So they are used as transport for us. Okay, so firstly in this session I will be giving the recap of that and then we will continue this chapter, and today we will be doing book work also, so you all have to keep your book with you and yeah, all stationery items also. So let's get started. So firstly I'm giving you the recap. So I told you about the time some times ago. The time was when only people were using their wheels to move. People were using their foot to move. वो सिर्फ चलकर ही जा सकते थे जहाँ भी जाते थे. Slowly they started using the animals as domesticate. Okay, so एज आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट द सुनीता के ग्रैंडफादर ने बताया कि पहले के टाइम में टांगर्स एंड बुलक कार्ट्स होते थे जिस पर बैठ के वो इधर से उधर जाते थे, या कोई भी सामान होता था वो इधर से उधर उस पर रख के जाया जाता था. ओके, सो एंड आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट सम एनिमल्स लाइक कैमल्स, एलिफेंट्स, mounts, and also I told you about the dogs and reindeers. Okay, so camels are the animals are known as sheep of the desert. Why they are known as sheep of the desert? Because they can they can just save the water and whatever they eat for many days. They can survive without eating anything or without drinking water many days, for several days. And also they are they are according to the condition of desert. So उनको वहाँ की heat भी suit कर जाती है. इतनी ज़्यादा heat होती है but they can bear that heat. So that's why camels are known as the sheep of the desert, and they are just used to transport the people and goods here and there. Okay, so then next is elephants, and elephants, about I told you, in the forest they are used to move heavy logs from one place to another. जो heavy logs होते हैं उनको एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर ले जाने में हेल्प करते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो एलिफेंट की राइड भी होती थी. अर्ली डेज, बहुत टाइम पहले की बात है, जब एलिफेंट्स को बैटल फील्ड्स में यूज़ किया जाता था. जब युद्ध हुआ करते थे ना, दो राजाओं के बीच में जब युद्ध हुआ करते थे, दैट टाइम एनिमल वर यूज्ड एज राइड ऑफ किंग्स. सो किंग्स रॉड ऑन एलिफेंट्स विद प्राइड. उनको एक प्राइड फील होता था एलिफेंट के ऊपर राइड करके. ओके, so this was about the elephants, and now next I'm going to tell you about the mounts. I told you about some animals which are known as mounts. So like horses, ponies and mules, these are the animals. We can see at hill stations, and so they are also used to carry goods our distance. काफ़ी दूर तक जाना है and they can carry that distance, and such animals are called mounts. And also some animals are there जो mountains में होते हैं, like donkeys, mules and yaks. They are also used to carry loads. इनके ऊपर भी loads रखा जाता है और they can also move at very long distance. This was about the mounts. Then move on to the dogs and reindeers. Now dogs and reindeers कौन सा cart को pull करते हैं? Which are wheelless cart. Wheelless cart are known as sledges. So dogs and reindeer pull wheelless carts on the places where only snow and ice is there. Okay, तो उसी जगह पर वो पुल करते हैं where the land is covered with ice and snow. Okay, so this was about the recap of the previous session. Now I am continuing with the next topic, that is special occasions. Sorry. Now the special occasions. In the special occasions, I am going to talk about firstly marriages. You must have seen the bridegroom riding on a decorated horse in his marriage procession. मतलब जो भी कोई मैरिज का फंक्शन होता है कैसा, लाइक उसमें ब्राइडग्रूम जो होता है वो हॉर्स के ऊपर राइड करके आता है, डेकोरेटेड हॉर्स. और समटाइम्स अ बगी इज़ ऑल्सो यूज. बगी होती है, बगी इज़ अ 4-wheeled लग्जरी कोच. 4-wheel बगी होती है और उसको बहुत अच्छे से डेकोरेट किया होता है, एंड दैट इज़ पुल्ड बाय one horse. Sometimes it can pulled by 2 horses also. So people at some tourist places enjoy buggy rides. So कई जगह पर buggy rides को enjoy भी किया जाता है. Okay. So this was about the first occasion I told you in marriage. So marriage में जो bridegroom है वो horse पे राइड करता है, राइट, सभी ने देखा है. देन इन एन एनिमल सेंचुरी, जब एनिमल्स का टाइम था, इन एन एनिमल सेंचुरी टूरिस्ट ऑन एन एलिफेंट सफारी इंजॉय वॉचिंग एनिमल्स. वो एनिमल्स को देखने जाते थे एलिफेंट के ऊपर बैठ कर, ठीक है. सो दैट टाइम टूरिस्ट ऑन एन एलिफेंट सफारी इंजॉय वॉचिंग एनिमल्स को देखते थे. And as you know, brave children of our country are given bravery awards on Republic Day. जो brave children होते हैं उनको Republic Day पे एक bravery award दिया जाता है. So earlier they used to ride on beautifully decorated elephants to take part in the Republic Day parade. तो उस टाइम पे क्या होता था, जब वो Republic Day parade में participate करते थे, तो that time they used to ride on the beautifully decorated elephants. Okay, so this was you ride a camel or an elephant at some fairs and amusement parks as well. So आपने कहीं ना कहीं camel ride लिया होगा, elephant ride भी लिया होगा, horse ride भी लिया होगा. So these are the some animals जिसमें हम riding कर सकते हैं. Okay. Now next, how can we take care of our animals? This is the topic, care of animals. So just listen it carefully. There are some 7 points I'm gonna discuss with you, like how can we take care of the animals. So the first step, give them proper food and clean drinking water. We can give them proper food and drinking water, right? And then keep them clean by giving them bath regularly. उनको अच्छे से रोज bath करवाना. And then give them proper shelter. See, as we all need food, water, shelter daily, so they also need food, water, shelter. So give them proper shelter. Shelter protects them from heat, cold and rain, and clean their shelter regularly. Like we are cleaning our home daily and we need to sit at very clean place, so they also need to sit at very clean place. So clean their shelter regularly. Do not force them to walk beyond their capacity. उनकी कैपेसिटी से बात तक, मतलब जब कैपेसिटी नहीं है, like if they cannot move forward now and they are tired, so don't force them. Be kind with them. जिस तरह से हम जितनी देर काम कर सकते हैं वैसे ही उसके बाद हमारी हिम्मत नहीं होती कि हम कोई और काम करें. Like that animals also need take rest. Okay, so do not beat animals when they refuse to work. जब वो काम करने से मना कर देते हैं उन्हें मारे मत. It is quite possible that they may be ill, injured or tired. या ये पॉसिबल है कि वो भी कभी बीमार हो सकते हैं एंड कभी उनको चोट लगी हो सकती है या वो भी टायर्ड है. नाउ नेक्स्ट, व्हेन एन एनिमल फॉल्स सिक. जब कोई अब लाइक अगर हम सिक हो जाते हैं तो हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, राइट. व्हेन एन एनिमल फॉल्स सिक, टेक इट टू अ वेटरनरी डॉक्टर फॉर ट्रीटमेंट. वेटरनरी डॉक्टर इज डॉक्टर who treats the animal, okay, who treats the animal. So make sure जब भी हमारा कोई एनिमल सिक हो जाता है तो हमें वेटरनरी डॉक्टर के पास लेकर जाना चाहिए for the treatment. And the last step is make sure that the hoofs of animals like horse and ox are protected with horseshoes. You know what are hoofs? Hoofs is the very hard part of the foot of animal. Okay, so that is the hoofs. So make sure that hoofs are totally protected. Hoofs of cows and ox are should be totally protected with the horseshoe. Now what is a horseshoe? As you can see the picture in your book also, it is given that horseshoe is a U shaped structure. U shaped का structure है and it is made up of iron. ये iron से बना हुआ है. Okay, so this is that. Now these were some 7 points which we need to keep in our mind, that how can we take care of the domestic animals or any other animal, right? So yeah, now we are starting with the book work. So everyone open your book. Page number 71 should be open. Yeah, page number 71. So on this page, two two MCQs are given. So we are doing firstly this. So first MCQ is given on page number 71. The invention which brought revolution in transport. ट्रांसपोर्ट में टोटली चेंज आ गया है. किसके इन्वेंशन से हुआ? इट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ, आई होप यू ऑल नो. सो द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज टांगा, सेकेंड इज बुलक कार्ट एंड थर्ड इज व्हील्स. किसके इन्वेंशन से बिल्कुल रिवोल्यूशन हो गया था ट्रांसपोर्ट में? बिकॉज ऑफ व्हील्स. सो द सी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट, दैट इज व्हील्स. सो पुट टिक ऑन इट. Now the next question is the animal that is used in mountains. अब animal जो mountains में use होता है, I told you 3 animals. First donkey, yaks and mules. So इन animals को mountain में use आते हैं. So first option is given camel, second elephant and C donkey. So which one is the correct? That is donkey. So the C option again correct. Tick on this option, donkey. Now next page number 72. Open page number 72. Tick the correct one. Take the correct answer. So we have to see the statement is correct or wrong. First statement is a buggy is 4-wheeled coach pulled by horse. A buggy is 4-wheeled coach pulled by horse. Is it correct or wrong? Buggy, which is totally look like a coach and it is pulled by horse. Yes, it is pulled by horse. So the first one is correct. So put tick on this. Okay. Now the next one. Elephant is used to pull sledges. Elephant is used to pull sledges. Sledges is the cart, like wheelless cart जिसके wheel नहीं होते हैं. But the elephants didn't pull that, right? Who pulled the sledges? Yes, reindeers and dogs pull the sledges. So the second one is the wrong statement. They have given the wrong name. They have given the elephant name, but at the place of elephant, what should come? Dogs or reindeers. Yes. So again on this page, 2 MCQs are given. Yeah, 2 MCQs are given again on this page. First is, in the past humans traveled on dash. Past time में जो humans है वो travel किस पे करते थे? They traveled on. First option is given cars, foot और third is boat. Past time, बहुत पहले के टाइम की बात करें तब कैसे travel करते थे? Travel on foot. तो वो foot पे travel करते थे. So B option is correct. B option is correct one. Okay, so in the past time, humans traveled on foot. Now the next is, tangas are still a mode of transport. टांगास अभी भी कहाँ पर यूज हो रहे हैं? At which places are still a mode of transport? First is cities, big towns or villages. Which option is correct? C option is correct. That is yes, villages. Okay. Then on the same page, Philips are given. Let's do that firstly. Okay, so I hope it is done till here. Move on to the next Philips. So the first Philip is given. The dash is called the ship of the desert. Yes, camel is called the ship of the desert. Camel is called the ship of the desert. The next is, dash are used to pull sledges in snowy regions. जहाँ पर snow होती है उस एरिया में sledges को कौन pull करता है? अभी हमने यहाँ किया, that is dogs and, right here, dogs and reindeers. Okay, dogs and reindeers. Now the third is, a dash is a four-wheeled luxury coach pulled by horses. Yes, luxury coach that is pulled by horses. उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? That is known as a buggy. So B-U-G-G-Y, buggy. That is a buggy. A buggy is a four-wheel luxury coach pulled by horses. Now 3 pictures are also given. Those pictures you have to do it by yourself. आपको सिर्फ name ही लिखना है. Now I am moving on to the next page. That is page number 73. On this page again 2 MCQs are given. Yes, so first MCQ is, a dash is used to transport heavy logs in the forest. And dash is used to transport heavy logs in the forest. Forest में कौन से animals को use किया जाता है to carry heavy logs? That is a elephant. So option number A is correct. Elephant. Okay. Now the next is, when our pets fall sick, we take them to a dash doctor. कौन से डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाना चाहिए? We should take them to a veterinary doctor, right? So the option number B is correct. Veterinary doctor. Yeah, so that is all for today. I hope you all have done this, and also you have to read this chapter properly, as we are going to start with the notebook work from the next week. So yeah, today is your test also. All the best for that, and we'll meet you soon. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.